Hey guys, welcome back. We're back outdoors. This is a good spot where I'm at. Local spot in town, as you can see, the zoo. Unfortunately, it's closed. We're a little late today. I'm here after work. I gotta get me a trot in. So I'll get you guys in the holster and I'll try and redo a Breckenridge slash zoo walk with me, hopefully you guys enjoy it. And like I said, we'll get you in the holster and get to it. Stand by. Alright guys, here we go. Breckenridge 2.0. Haha, that right. Please bear with me in my phlegm. I'll try not to be in you guys' ear with that. Excuse me. Last time we took that train bridge. Well, I found another bridge in a little spot that I didn't show you guys over here. Oh wow. Got lovers enjoying a picnic. There you go. That's gonna be me in a couple minutes after I finish with you guys. But last time, I don't think I took you guys across over here. That's crazy. bring your kids and have them play up lightning bugs, but it's funny. Cool. So people come out, hang out at the park, and I didn't take you guys last time across to actually show you the park. I just walked you into it. To the Witty. This time I'm gonna take you into the park. All right. Goose up there talking smack. I think it goes back in to another spot, but I want to make sure I showed you guys this. All right. Just another little extension off of the Riverwalk, or a branch that meets the Riverwalk. Of course, they're doing repairs. Usually when it's more water, it's a little prettier. Okay. But they also have bathrooms open. Cool part is I got these wood and metal bridges that remind me of home, with these pecan trees. See? Real ornamental. See, up here the water is fairly clear. Ish. And they got a baseball diamond, a track. Gotta get out the way before I get ran back over. Baseball diamond, a little spot over to my right where you can fish, and like I said, there's a trail that goes around, and one of my buddies that loves baseball would let us. But Check that out, little red dirt. Okay. Show you the rest of the park. Show you that spot I was talking about where you can go fish. Alright, starting back within there. Alright. I'm not gonna go down in there too far because I don't want no bugs. I didn't put on no bug spray today. Alright. As you can see, you come down here, real beautiful. Got the pavilion in the background, the little big ducks and geese. See? Real peaceful and quiet. Okay. I'll show you the other part. It's real weird. This is part of the track that runs around it. You know, encompasses this whole little inner island. This is new. Designed by children in the bicentennial year of 1976. Ain't that something? Look at that. Patrick Henry, Patriot, give me liberty or give me death. Okay. Yes. That's cool. I didn't know that was here. Just like ninjas. Can't have nothing nice. Like this used to be a sundial with a vital piece missing. But it is what it is. Let me go show you what I wanted to show you. What the hell is that over there running? Oh, they riding. Poor husky out here. It's too hot for a husky. It's just not cooling down, and it's like 92, 93 degrees. Alright. So, this is the thing I guess I wanted to show you. The water's clear over here, but what the heck's up with that? Where's it coming from? It's actually pretty deep over here too. Alright, let's take you back. Sorry guys, making sure I'm not having technical difficulties. Big old geese. Look at them. Hey guys. Big. I like how they all stopped and looked at me. I was like, what the hell is he gonna do? Please bear with me, guys. I gotta go use the facilities, and I see a blue room over that way. Oh, even better, a real toilet this way. Wash my hands and everything. How you doing? All right. How you doing? I had a friend talk about these things look like pea pods. I don't know what kind of plant that is. I'm over here touching it. Alright guys, give me just a moment. Put you on pause and we'll get right back to it, okay?